Points you gain. If you touch anything on the camera, I kick your ass there. Content is the number of points you make to convince some people to agree with you. Now, presentation is the use of the stage. Group presentation is the purpose in your own game to help you. Now, for group one, they have first speaker through content. Whether they have good content or not, she was not ready to read. Out of 25, she only got 10. Outside. Out of 25. Out of 25, she got 10 from there. Presentation, because she was managing paper, out of 10, I gave her 2. Second presentation, she got 0 out of 15. Now, group 2, their presentation content, out of 25, I gave them 15. Their presentation was half fair, I gave them 10. So, 5 out of 10. And the second presenter, 15 out of 8. So I gave them 8 for that. So when I add it together, it's a mark out of 50. This from first 50, your second 50 is the next plus. So group 1, they got 12 out of 50. Which is a fail. And group 2, they got 28 out of 50. Which is better. So all of you in group 2 will have 28. That means 28 is kept for you. Will be added to your test, what you are going to have from your test. And then group 1, all of you have 12 marks.